Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to go incognito in Google Chrome on your MacBook. So first of all, open up the Google Chrome. If you have not updated the Google Chrome, then you need to update it. Okay, so once you are here, in order to open the incognito mode, go to the menu bar of the Google Chrome browser, then click on File, and you can see here the option New Incognito Mode, and you can also see the shortcut in your MacBook right here. Okay, so if I click here, then it will open up just any other browser, Google Chrome browser. Then you can see you have gone incognito. Now in this one, Chrome won't show your browsing history. It will also won't show the cookies and site data, the information entered. Okay, so these are the things, and also third party cookies are blocked. Now you can use this incognito mode. It is also known as private browsing. Once you are done with that, then you can simply close out this window in order to return to the normal mode. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.